Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspiration. Today, we are exploring 12 glamorous spring fireplace mantel ideas with luxurious crystals and fine ceramics to elevate your living space. This collection focuses on blending the freshness of spring with the sophisticated shimmer of high-end materials. Please remember to like this video, share it with fellow decor enthusiasts, comment on your favorite look, and subscribe for more luxury design tips. Bring the clarity of a spring morning to your hearth by layering faceted crystal drops among soft pastel floral arrangements. The way the natural sunlight hits the glass creates a dancing light show across your living room walls. You can anchor the look with a pair of delicate porcelain vases in a soft blush hue. This combination perfectly balances the weight of fine ceramics with the ethereal lightness of crystal. Transform your mantel into a curated exhibition by mixing gold-rimmed ceramic plates with crystal pillar candle holders. Use sprigs of fresh greenery like eucalyptus or ferns to weave through the bases of your luxury ornaments. The contrast between the organic green leaves and the structured gold accents offers a modern yet timeless appeal. It creates a focal point that feels both expensive and deeply connected to the blooming season outside. Celadon green ceramics provide a tranquil base that mimics the first buds of spring appearing in a garden. Pair these smooth, earthy vessels with oversized raw crystal clusters to introduce a touch of unrefined luxury. The subtle crackle glaze on the pottery adds a layer of sophisticated texture that invites closer inspection. Set these items at varying heights to ensure the eye moves gracefully across the entire fireplace display. A clean, minimalist approach can often feel the most glamorous when you focus on high-quality materials like white marble and clear quartz. Position sleek ceramic obelisks alongside transparent crystal spheres to achieve a look that is both sculptural and serene. The absence of clutter allows the inherent beauty of the stones and the craftsmanship of the pottery to shine. This style works exceptionally well in modern spaces that favor architectural lines over ornate flourishes. Evoke a sense of old-world charm by displaying heirloom-style porcelain figurines accented by crystal-encrusted wall sconces. Surround these pieces with delicate sprigs of baby's breath or white tulips to soften the overall aesthetic for the spring season. The intricate hand-painted details on the ceramics provide a narrative element to your mantel's story. It is a wonderful way to honor tradition while maintaining a bright and airy atmosphere. Introduce a Regal purple palette by incorporating deep amethyst geodes and lavender-tinted ceramic jars. The rich violet tones provide a stunning contrast against a white or cream fireplace surround, making the colors pop. Layering silk ribbons in silk gray or silver can tie the different elements together into a cohesive spring theme. This arrangement feels bold and intentional, proving that spring decor doesn't always have to be whisper soft. Capture the essence of a clear spring sky with blue and white porcelain vases and aquamarine crystal accents. Scatter small tumbled stones around the base of the ceramics to mimic the look of treasures found along a shoreline. This breezy color scheme breathes life into any room and provides a refreshing visual break from heavy winter textures. It is an effortless way to transition your home into the warmer months with style. Use metallic glazed ceramics and mirror trays to amplify the light reflecting off your crystal collection. When placed on a mantel, these reflective surfaces catch the flickering light of candles or the glow of the afternoon sun. The result is a high glamour look that feels energetic and bright, perfect for a lively spring gathering. This setup emphasizes depth and dimension, making even a small fireplace feel grander. Incorporate ceramics that feature raised floral filigree patterns to mirror the blossoms appearing in your garden. Pair these textured pieces with traditional cut glass crystal bowls filled with seasonal potpourri or floating petals. The interplay between the opaque ceramic patterns and the transparent glass creates a sophisticated visual rhythm. It is a classic look that celebrates the intricate details of nature through the lens of luxury. Create a striking statement by sticking to a strictly monochromatic white palette, using matte porcelain and frosted crystals. The variation in finish, from the dull matte of the clay to the icy translucence of the glass, provides enough interest without needing color. Use geometric shapes to give the arrangement a contemporary edge that feels fresh and organized. This clean look is perfect for those who want a sophisticated spring update that feels calm and clutter-free. Deep emerald green ceramics can act as a sophisticated anchor for a spring mantle when paired with light-catching jade crystals. The jewel-toned palette feels lush and vibrant, representing the full growth of mid-spring. Integrate small touches of silver or chrome to add a modern sparkle that breaks up the deep greens. This look is incredibly grounding and brings a sense of the outdoors directly into your formal living space. For the ultimate luxury statement, place rare orchids in tall, heavy crystal vases flanked by matching ceramic pedestals. The height of the orchids adds a vertical dimension that draws the eye upward, highlighting the architecture of your home. Ensure the ceramics are finished in a pearlescent glaze to complement the natural sheen of the flower petals. If you enjoyed these ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more design inspiration.